Hello everyone and welcome back to another review. In this video we're taking a look at Varo Bank. Varo Bank is a US-based neobank launched in 2017, and by late 2020 it became the first fintech to secure a national bank charter, ensuring customer funds directly through the FDIC up to $15,000. It offers mobile-first banking without physical branches and emphasizes transparency and automation. You get a fee-free checking account, no minimum balance, monthly fees or overdraft, and SF charges. Base APY is 2.50% boosted to 5% on balances up to $5,000 if direct deposit criteria are met. Automated saving tools save your change rounds up transactions, save your pay transfers a percentage of direct deposits into savings. Varo has advanced in line of credit. It offers short-term advance from $20 to $250 in installment-style credit, up to $2,000 with flat fees and no interest. Also, secured card with no interest helps improve credit score with average 40-point increase over 3 months and up to 6% cash back at partner merchants and peer-to-peer transfers via Varo to anyone. You have also direct charter, not a third-party bank. Moving on to the cons, reports of long wait times, confusing support routing, and unsolved disputes. Some users experienced unexplained suspensions or restricted features like ACH limits. Also, check deposits may take up to 7 to 10 days. Daily limits are low, from $300 to $2,000 depending on account standing. Also, app outages and slow processing during tech updates. A few users suspect instability or aggressive cash advance business practices. So Varo Bank excels at fee-free mobile-first banking with attractive savings options, early pay, and tools for credit building and cash flow. For many users, especially younger or budget-conscious ones, it's a solid, modern banking choice. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.